The alt display on your Spectrum cable box means it's stuck in an alternate mode, often due to HDMI or software issues. This isn't a security threat, but it's a nuisance. Common causes include HDMI handshake failures, where the box can't properly communicate with your TV, and glitches in the Smart Hub, Spectrum's interface for streaming. For immediate solutions, first power cycle your box by holding the power button for 10 seconds or unplugging it for 60 seconds. Second, check your HDMI connections by trying different ports on your TV or using a different HDMI cable. Third, ensure your Spectrum box has the latest firmware by checking Settings Info. These steps solve the issue for 70% of users, according to community discussions. If basic troubleshooting fails, the problem may be deeper. Recurring alt issues often indicate infrastructure problems, especially in older buildings with shared coaxial wiring. Spectrum's Smart Hub 2.0 update has anecdotally increased these issues for some users. Looking to the future, Spectrum is shifting toward app-based viewing, which reduces reliance on physical boxes and related glitches. AI-enhanced diagnostics are also expected in upcoming firmware. In the meantime, consider proactive maintenance. Replace outdated HDMI cables with newer HDCP 2.2 Plus compatible ones. User surveys rate Spectrum's troubleshooting at just 3.2 out of 5. As of 2025, AL errors account for 8% of support calls, so addressing them can save significant time and frustration. Consider DIY solutions from online forums.